Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making Nonne's puffs. This recipe originated in France a few hundred years ago, and it was originally called Paix de Nonne, Paix as in P-A-I-X, as in Nonne's peace. Somehow over the years, this changed its name to Paix de Nonne, P-E-T-S de Nonne, P-E-T-S, meaning fart. That's right, we're making Nonne's farts today. These are supposed to be light and airy and taste heavenly. So I guess you can understand why that name kind of came about throughout time. In short, this recipe is like a cream puff pastry that meets a popover. So they're gonna be light and custardy, but may not get that rise that a popover does. So have I made this before? Of course not, but we're gonna give it a try. Thanks for this song request. It fit perfectly with this recipe. The hills are alive with these Nonne puff pastry. Take choux pastry and popovers, mix them into one. Need I say more? I think not. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Second thing you want to do is get your muffin tin greased up and ready to go. Medium heat, unsalted butter, milk, bring to a boil. Flour, sugar, salt. Mix until smooth. Once nice and smooth, let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes before we add those eggs. Switch bowls if you need to make this mixture cool down faster. We're going to add one egg at a time and then beat it. Fill each cup about 2/3 full. Into the oven for 30 minutes until they're puffed and golden, and do not open up that oven. Time's up. They're looking puffed and golden brown. Best thing about these, we get to eat them right away. We can serve it with honey or confectioner sugar or eat them straight. Look at this Nonne's puff. Ooh, you know what? Turning it upside down, you see that hole in there? These are very light and airy, sort of like a popover, but again, it felt more like that choux pastry, which is what you would make a cream puff or an eclair out of. So let's break it open and see what this looks like. They are warm. Ooh, ooh. You see that steam? It's very light and airy. Let's put down half and take a bite. Okay, let's break off a piece and see. Ooh, it feels very custardy, like a popover. Oh my, look at that. This is delicious. Let's try it with some honey. I drizzled some honey on it. Let's taste it now. Adding honey or a confectioner sugar definitely takes it to the beignet type donut. But this definitely is such a great cross between that cream puff pastry and then a popover, because it's custardy, but it's got more structure than a popover. These are delicious. If I can make Nonne's puffs for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram and TikTok for so very much more, like a lot more.